welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 21 of English, and the name of the chapter is Application Writing. So we all know that how do we write applications? Why do we write applications, right? So we write applications for our official purposes, right? Whenever we have to take a leave from the school or we have to inform something to our teacher or whatever the reason, we write an application, right? So here we have an example of application for leave, right? So let's read it. Write an application to the principal of your school informing him about your illness and requesting him to grant you leave for 4 days. So यहाँ पर आपको एक एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है जिसमें आपको अपने स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल को इन्फॉर्म करना है अपनी बीमारी के बारे में और उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करनी है कि वो आपको 4 दिनों की छुट्टी देंगे, राइट? So let's read how we are going to begin. To the principal, Delhi Public School, Rohtak. So first of all, you are going to write to the principal, which will be same. After that, you are going to write the name of your school, right? This is the name of school, right? After that, you are going to mention the city name. Next is the salutations, right? These are the salutations which are written to show some respect to our seniors, right? तो जब भी हमें रिस्पेक्ट दिखानी होती है तो हम सर या मैम या डियर करके ऐसे कुछ लिख देते हैं या फिर रिस्पेक्टेड, right? After that, most respectfully, I beg to say that I have been suffering from fever since last night. Therefore, I cannot attend the school for 4 days. I therefore request you to grant me leave from dash to dash. I shall be highly obliged. Now, what we are going to write in these blanks? Because you have requested the leave for 4 days, so hence you are going to mention that from which dates till which date you need the leaves. Suppose I need 4 days leave, so I'll be writing 17 September to 20 September. Right? This will be done. After that, you will simply write thanking you, yours obediently, Amit Kumar Forte. That means you have to write your name over here, your full name. And after that, you will be writing your class. And after that, you will be writing the date on which you are going to submit your application, right? After that, parents, guardian signature and so on, right? So this is the whole format for your application for leave. After that, we have another example that is of applications for remission of fine. तो अब यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन लिखेंगे हम remission for fine के लिए, right? So write an application to the principal. Write an application to the principal of your college for remission of fine. तो हमें एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है अपनी प्रिंसिपल को कॉलेज की ताकि हम फाइन का remission कर सकें, right? So same format to the principal, Sunrise Public School. Same format as you have done in the earlier one, application for leave request. After that, same format is going on, just the content will be different. I beg to say that I was ill for the past 2 days, but I could not send my application for leave. My father was out of station and no other people of my class lives near my home. Please remit my fine for absence. Yours obediently, Jessica Singh, class as well as the grade to be mentioned over here. Right? That was it. After that, we have one more example. Let's have a look on this also. So this example is for grant of fee concession. कि आपको फीस में कंसेशन चाहिए उसके लिए आप यहाँ पर रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. So it would be write an application to your principal to grant your full concession in school fee. Now let's see what's the format to the principal in public schools, sir. Obviously, you're going to follow the same format, right? Most respectfully, I beg to say that I am a student of class 4th B. We are 8 members in the family. My father is a clerk in an ordinary firm. He gets only 3,000 per month, which is too little to even feed us. As such, he is not in a position to pay my school fees. It is therefore requested I may kindly be granted full fee concession. I shall be highly obliged. Thanking you. Yours obediently, Yuvraj Chaudhary, dated parents and guardian signature. Right? So, in this way, you can write the application for the concession of fees. After that, we have one more example. Let's have a look on this also. For change of section, कि आपको अपना section जो है स्कूल में वो change कराना है अपनी class का. So how you are going to write the application? Let's have a look on this also. Write an application to your principal requesting him to change your section. तो अब आपको section change कराना है, इसलिए आप उनको request करोगे. So let's have a look to the principal, Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Amritsar. Sir, most respectfully, I beg to say that I am the student of class 4th B of your school. My sister Manisha is studying in 4th C. I shall feel highly grateful to you if I am allowed to change my section from section B to section C. This will help us in removing each other's difficulties. I shall feel highly obliged for this kind approval. Thanking you. Yours obediently, Aditi, 4th C, dated parents and guardians, signature. Right? So, this is the format for the change of section application. Right? Now, after that, you have some practice questions that you can do by yourself and make your skills more clearer and more perfect. Right? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all got the new things and you learned all the formats that how you're going to write the application. So, thanks so much and have a great day ahead.